Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorials of HDPS Smart. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create an Automake item. Click on Setup button. From the first page of Setup, click on Item module and then click on Add item. Let's say we want to create an item cake and we want to define its ingredients. Let's create the ingredients first. So we'll enter the item name as X, select the category, click on Create, click on OK. In item attributes, we have to mark this as not for sale. Since it is an ingredient, we are not selling this item. In packaging section, you need to select the purchase measuring unit. Add a purchase measuring unit. Say it is carton. I'll add one more measuring unit, pieces. I'll select carton and click on OK. So I'll be purchasing this item in carton and I'll be using it in pieces. So here we need to define the conversion factor. One carton will have say 6 pieces of eggs. In pricing section, you can define the purchase price of the item. So this purchase price will be for one carton. Click on Create and Continue. Say sugar, and the purchase measuring unit will be kg. I'll be using in grams, and the conversion factor will be 1000. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. And here I'll enter the purchase price 45. Click on Create and Continue. Say baking soda. So I'll enter the purchase price as 350. Click on Create and Continue. Say cocoa powder. Click on Create. So we have created the ingredients. So let's create the item cake. Enter the item name, say chocolate cake. Select the category. In the item attributes, we have to uncheck the checkbox is purchased. Since we are not purchasing this item, we are making this item in the shop. And we have to check the checkbox is Automake. Once the checkbox is checked, you can see BOM button is enabled. BOM is Bill of Material. It is the list of components and the quantity that is required to make a product. BOM is a recipe, or you can call it as an ingredients list of an item. This option helps you to calculate the purchase price of an item when that item is made from the combination of other items and involves making charge, packing charges, etc. Click on the BOM button. This will open BOM management. Here you have to select the ingredients that are required to make the item along with the quantity and purchase price. So I'll select the ingredients. So enter the quantity that is required to make one quantity of chocolate cake. Say 30 grams, 45 grams, 4 pieces of eggs, 300 grams of sugar. So you can see the current computed price is 117.67. You can also enter the labor charge and the packing charge. So you can see the total making charge is 100 and now the current computed price is 217.67. Click on OK. Enter the sales price. You can also attach photo to this item. To attach photo, click on Add Photo. Select the image and click on Open. Click on Create button. So we have created the ingredients and the item cake. The next step is to increase the stock of the ingredients. So for that we have to purchase these items from the supplier. So click on Receive Item module. Click on Add Simple Receive Item entry. Select the supplier from whom you are purchasing. Add the items that you are purchasing. can change the quantity and the purchase price of the item. Click on save button. Once the receive item entry is saved, now we can see the stock of the items in the stock module. So we have 1000 grams of baking soda, 1000 grams of cocoa powder, 6 pieces of eggs, and 1000 grams of sugar. So let's create an invoice for the chocolate cake. So we'll go back to main screen, select the item, select the customer, click on pay now, enter the amount, and click on save invoice. Once the invoice is saved, let's go and see the stock of the items. Click on stock module. So now you can see the stock of the ingredients has been reduced. So you can see the chocolate cake, the quantity is 0. Stock of the ingredients has been reduced by the quantity specified at the time of defining the BOM. So click on the second page, click on make and break module. Here you can see the entry of make document. So you can see is manual make is showing as no. That means this is an auto make entry. Click on view make and break. So you can see the item chocolate cake with the quantity that was specified at the time of creating sales invoice. That's it from this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video.